Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here, and today we'll be sharing with you how to use the upload video defaults feature from YouTube. So you can use this so that you don't have to type everything when you upload a video over and over. So let's go to your YouTube studio as usual, right there. Click on settings and then to upload defaults page right there. So as you can see from the basic info tab, there's the title. This is the title of your video. So by putting some words here, you don't have to type every time you upload a video. Like when you use a title, I can use by Abner's Reviews, and then I can edit it later on to add more words to it. Now the description. This is the actual description of your video. It appears below the video. So you can put in here everything that you use over and over, so you don't have to type it every time. So I can put in here the footer for my videos. And as you can see, you can use up to 5,000 characters there. Visibility. This means who can see your video. So I would tell you to use private so that you have the flexibility and you can control who can see your video on upload. Now the tags. These are the search terms used by YouTube to be able to find your video. So you can put in here every related words for your video so YouTube can easily find it. So you just have to separate these words by comma. So there's a sample right there. You can use up to 500 characters here with your tags. So there you go. Now you click save so that you can save your changes right here. And there you go. Settings saved. So now let us do a sample and upload a video. Click on create in the upper right corner right here. And then upload videos. Now select the video file for you to upload. And there we go. As you can see from the title, that you can see there the Abner's Reviews, and on the description all the words we put in there earlier. Click show more so you can see the tags part right there. So those changes are saved. So there you go guys. I hope you have learned something in terms of uploading the video defaults of your YouTube channel, and hopefully you learned something today. So please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Abner's Reviews, and do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Please do not forget to follow us on our social media links right here.
Perfect. Hadouken!
And once again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.